You're looking at the brand new 2026 Ford F-250 Shelby Super Baja, and trust me, this beast is about to break the internet. Shelby has taken Ford's already legendary Super Duty and cranked it up to a whole new level. If you thought the Raptor was wild, wait till you see what this thing can do. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you know this isn't your average F-250. The aggressive wide-body stance, massive 37-inch BF Goodrich KM3 mud terrain tires, custom Shelby wheels, and the functional hood scoop all scream pure attitude. There's a towering stance thanks to the upgraded suspension system with adjustable coilovers and Fox shocks that give it over 4 inches of extra lift. This means you can tackle pretty much any trail, dune, or rocky terrain you throw at it. Under the hood, things get even crazier. Shelby didn't just leave the Power Stroke diesel or the 7.3 Godzilla V8 stock, they've tuned it to squeeze out even more power and torque, making it one of the most powerful heavy-duty off-road trucks on the planet. Think mountains of torque to pull you through deep mud, sand, or snow with ease. But this truck isn't just about brute strength. Shelby made sure it's an experience inside and out. The exterior features signature Shelby racing stripes, custom bumpers with LED light bars integrated seamlessly, and powder-coated skid plates for real off-road protection. Around back, you've got a bed rack system ready for all your overlanding gear, spare tire mounts, and even an option for an onboard air compressor so you can air up and down on the trail. Climb inside and it's pure Shelby luxury. You've got custom leather seats with embroidered Shelby logos, carbon fiber trim, billet aluminum badges, and numbered plaques that remind you this is a rare breed. Of course, Ford's latest tech is all here too. A massive touchscreen, a premium B&O sound system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the latest trail camera system that gives you a 360-degree view of your surroundings when crawling over obstacles. It's a truck that makes you feel like you can conquer the world and look good doing it. But let's talk performance in the real world. The Shelby Super Baja isn't just built for show. It's designed to be hammered on some of the harshest terrain out there. With the upgraded suspension travel, reinforced chassis, and off-road tuned differentials, you can blast through desert trails, bomb down dunes, or crawl up rock faces without breaking a sweat. The exhaust note is thunderous yet refined. That V8 roar is unmistakably Shelby. It's like having a muscle car soundtrack in a heavy-duty off-roader. And yes, it'll turn heads everywhere you go. Pull up to a trailhead, and everyone will want to know what this monster is and how they can get one. Of course, all this comes at a price. Shelby doesn't make mass-market trucks. Each Super Baja is hand-built, numbered, and produced in limited quantities. So if you want one, you better get your name on the list early, because once they're gone, they're gone. This is more than just a truck, it's a statement. It's about adventure, performance, and exclusivity. For hardcore off-roaders, overlanders, or just anyone who wants to own the meanest Ford Super Duty ever built, the 2026 F-250 Shelby Super Baja is pretty much the ultimate dream machine. If you've ever wanted to rip through a desert at full throttle, camp in the middle of nowhere, or just have the wildest rig at the local cars and coffee, this truck is calling your name. So what do you think? Is the 2026 Ford F-250 Shelby Super Baja the most insane off-road truck ever? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell because I've got plenty more epic builds coming your way. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next wild ride.